Wha Gwann everybody, today 2 words for you: mango season. So whether you want stringy, Bombay, East Indian, Julie, Keith, number, you name it, all type of different mangoes, black mango, John belly full. We are going to check out some mango today, and we're going to check out the mangoes across Jamaica, because nothing sweet like mango season when you have that box of mango in front of you and you dive right down into some fresh mango straight off of the tree. Not no foreign mango that them carry up when it green and it ripe on the way up there. This is fresh mango season in Jamaica. You can't drop no catch when a mango season.
The Bombay tree this you get back.
So you ask me, Matthew, what your favorite type of mango? Easy answer, every mango. Man's been telling you a long time, man. You think fresh mangoes in Jamaica is a plaything, bruv? Ask the man them about that in England. No lie, all mango, every mango is my favorite mango, especially if I get to pick it myself. Mango season is a special time in Jamaica. When you get to go around and you just have mango a drop on the floor, it don't matter what type of mango it is. It could be a stringy mango, green gauge, Julie mango, Bombay mango, Keith, John belly full, you name it, black mango, number 11. You have all different type of mangoes, and we travel right around the country, and there's not one time where I pass certain places and don't stop and have to buy some mango or check some man for some mango and touch mango bush. Mango bush growing up is one of my favorite time when mango season come around. You and your friend them just out on the road looking for a wild mango tree, really wild, but you know, saying up in some people yard sometimes you just hope for the best and pray for the best. But yeah, when mango season come around, it's something special in Jamaica. It's something that I know that people abroad don't miss this. There's not one person I know, my aunts, my friends' aunts, that when it come down or when them come down to Jamaica, whole heap of people, you think it's KFC them want first? No, them want a mango if it's mango season.
We have the jackfruit over there.
Look on the jackfruit.
Yeah. And we have the plants over there.
Right.
Number 11.
Yeah, man.
It look like something.
Huh?
Your name.
Mine is Bongo.
Bongo.
That's Jamaican style. Bongo.
One love bongo.
Yeah,
One love.
You want to try one of these and see if you like it?
During mango season, mango becomes the ultimate Jamaican street food.
Yeah, just bite right into it.
Huh?
Just bite right into it.
Whether you check your regular fruits man, your regular fruits vendor, or just stop on the side of the road and find the perfect mango or the perfect fruit, it becomes just traditional this time of year.
It's alright, you're gone with it.
I'm going to get this whole thing now. Can't get this one.
Throughout Jamaica in mango season, there are many stops that you can get fresh fruit, fresh mangoes, and support the local economy.
Keith mango just pick.
Right?
Right off of the tree.
Just
It's right here.
Right?
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah, wait.
Take out the ripe one then.
Yeah, we'll soon take them out. Right on the road here at St. Elizabeth. Bombay, did it? Alright. I just East Indian. Only East Indian you have today. We can get one. How much for one? No, I can't manage about. I just want one to carry back for me. Why this now? Yeah, me get it. So me get the ball ready too.
careful of them things when you're looking for mango. You see the wasp nest them? That ever touch you. Watch that again. Anytime you go up on a mango trod, you have to be careful, you have to look for the wasp nest them because trust me, I have bad experience with that already. Mango hunt. Hey, mosquito.
Your mosquito is killing me, okay?
Alright, come on. That me I touch next in, you see that tree there? Alright, aye, maca. Alright, so one of the things that I got mango bush that you learn how to. Now I have my hand lean. Just give me a second, I could get this going. Aye. So you have to catch mango. You can throw and catch. Can't drop no catch when a mango season. This is a Julie mango, one of my favorite mangoes. Or St. Julian, as a lot of people. See how it just drop off? Oh gosh. Cut it right off of the stem. And look how clean that is. Smooth, sweet flavor. And just all around nice. Julie mango or St. Julian. This mango, they don't even know the origins of it. They say it come from India. But it's also the parent of the Graham mango, which we're going to get into later. But not nice like a fresh Julie mango fresh off of the tree. Blood fire. This need box of foot to box of. Yo, brother. I can't eat this up. Actually, I have friends that will eat the skin and tell you that it's roughage and then pass and gone. But big up Uncle George, but I eat the skin right now and just eat the skin off of the mango and say, that's a roughage, boy. Look how smooth. One thing I liked about this, no string in your teeth or nothing like that. Don't get me wrong. Most people don't like common mango or stringy mango. I love that too, full of flavor. Look this. This is nice for cook with green mango as well. Get a green one of this and put it in a curry pot because it's so smooth. Thicken up the curry and give it added flavor whenever you're cooking it. We did this with curry crab already. We wouldn't do it with goat, but curry crab, curry shrimp, something vibrant like that. Yeah, man. So you just slice it up thinly.
Yeah.
Just like when you have the pumpkin, if you want to cook out the pumpkin or something, you slice it up thin. So when it cook down, all of it melts out into the pot.
Yeah, Martin.
I could pick them usually make dolly with the stringy mango them. Take a peep through the fence and see if we see a ripe mango upon it. When you raid mango tree, you have to be careful and skill. Mango season now, one of my favorite times of the year. So the tree right over there, so, and some kids ran it yesterday. I beg them to save some for me. You have to go under the fence to get over there. So real mango trod. Certain things you need when you go in all that news bug. Hope a good news you have, you know. Certain things you need when you're going on a mango trod. You need a bag. A man like me, you know, so we have to sample it. You need a knife or a 3-star. But we have to go under the fence. But you see through me all, I'm afraid to drop out a tree and broke up. Because I can't get up like how music could have get up one time. I go for stick, I'm not climbing that today. It's coming worse than bird bush. You do more things for mango bush than you do for bird bush. Bird bush is one thing, but I come to mango and a drought time with mango season. Yeah. Too old for this. Really too old for this.